Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Hello, good morning everyone. Uncle Clyde in the kitchen again, and my menu today will be pilau with lentil peas. And today we're cooking with cuts. I have all my ingredients here, everything lined up, everything in place. Well, I will brown up my smoke bone first, and then I will add my lentil peas and all my ingredients to it. So we're starting with this here. So now I'll add sugar to my pot to make my browning. Not too much. Of course, I have my ruku. I don't cook without that. Must have that. Now I'll add a little garlic, as you can see. Yeah, but we don't burn it too black. That's a little browning. Because if it burns too much, it will be bitter. For it not to come out too black. If I want to set up browning, because you know it's a meat already brown. If it's like chicken, the white chicken is a different thing. So with this smoke bone, easier method. Now I'll add my ruku. Okay, so when it brown up, then I will add my rice and my lentil peas. So now I'll add some water. So then I'll put the rice and the lentil peas. So now I will put the lentil peas, as you can see. I will just wash it out and put it in the pot.
So that is dried peas that you like soak?
Now I'll soak it overnight because it will be easier to get soft today. Because normally you pressure it a little bit, but I don't want to pressure. I go in a long time way. Now I'll put my rice, as you can see. Now I'll add my coconut milk. And my other ingredients now. Carrot, okra, I've put some tomatoes, So you can see it already getting a brown, a golden color. Now, it mustn't be too black. So we're looking good. I'll add a few pimento. Not too much. So now I'll peel the green fig to put in it. So that cooking like how the old time days was with my father and my parents, you know. That's how I grew up. So I won't put in too much, just enough. You don't have to put too much, you know, because for the food to come out black. Just the right amount. So you have like this.
You grew up with your parents doing this?
Yeah. I'll leave it cook up there now on its own. Everything in a place, everything in a gear. Okay, so now I will check my pot and see whatever is missing, and I'll add the necessary ingredients. Champion. So now I will add some bay leaf. As you can see, I have everything here. I have bay leaf.
So that's fresh bay leaf.
Fresh bay leaf from the garden. Pick it yesterday. Fresh bay leaf, rosemary, Spanish thyme, fresh from the garden. Apart from putting your bay leaf, you always tear it up first, so you get the flavor to come out like this. You crush it, so you get the actual flavor. Now I'll add a little piece of Spanish thyme, not too much, because this is a strong food. That's about it. Let it go down on its own.
So you just let the water boil.
Yeah, let it go down, let it dry down for itself. Okay, so now I will check and see how my pilau going. As you can see, it going down. So I have to give it a time, let it dry up, and make sure it have to have a little bone in the bottom. You know what I mean? That's the best part of the pilau. So I will leave it going on a little again, about a little 10 minutes. So now I will check my pilau. As you can see, everything in again. So this video is on Cots app. Thank you very much. Blessings.